aan sameysanayaa waxaa waaye waa inta aanan quraacan ayaa waxaan rabaa maaragtay subaxdeeda intaana ku bilaabaa my routinkeyga waaye. Halkaas waxaa yaala waa vinegar, waa biyo, waa nuka honey, intaanaad ku qasayaa. Marka insha allah marka waxaan leeyahay siya quraac ka bacdi 30 minutes. Waxaan soo aaday meesha orodkaan soo aaday, marka waxaan rabaa in aan ku ordo halkaan aan ku ordo ilaa iyo 20 minutekaas. Jawiga caadi ma aha, kaala iska arag jawiga usoo orod maaha yaa. quraacdi waaye hadda quraacanayaa 30 minutes kadib soo laabtay shaygayga rabaan qasto, then going to work. This is my routine morning that I do like when I wake up every morning, inshallah. hadda soo baxay shaqo soo aaday, going to work.
I want all my sons to grow up to be monsters. I want all my daughters to show how to fuck it. Seem like we losing our country, but we gotta stand up for something, so this what it comes to. Every video I see on my conscience, I got power now, I gotta say something. Corrupted police been the problem where I'm from, but I'd be lying if I said it was all of them. I ain't do this for the trend, I don't follow them. Altercations with the law had a lot of them. People speaking for the people, I'm proud of them. Stick together, we can get it up out of them. I can't lie like I don't rap about killing and dope, but I'm telling my youngest to vote. I did what I did cause I didn't have no choice and no hope. I was forced to just jump in and go. This bullshit is all that we know, but it's time for a change. Got time to be serious, no time for no game. Ain't taking no more, let us go for them chains. God bless they soul, every one of them names. It's bigger than black and white. It's a problem with the whole way of life. It can't change overnight, but we gotta start somewhere. Might as well go ahead, start here. We done had a hell of a year. I'ma make it count while I'm here, God. It's the only man life here. They training officers, the killers, then shooting protesters with these rubber bullets. They regular people, I know that they feel us. These scars too deep, they heal us. What happened to COVID? Nobody remember, it ain't making sense. I'm just here to vent. It happened to one of your people, it's different. We get it, the system is wicked, just learn how to pick it. Knowledge is power, I swear I'm a witness. I know they don't get it, I won't go too deep, cause I'm scared they'll get me. Ain't scared to admit it, something I can't mention.